The most trending AI videos right now, as in the most trending AI niche right now on social media, especially here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Watch these videos. These videos are actually trending. I don't know why they're trending, but these videos are trending, and the AI videos, you can just use 1 second to create these videos. All you need is get the pictures and then animate them into videos. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI tools. So today, I'll be teaching you how to work with this AI tool, how you can actually get these trending videos that you can actually post on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok, and earn money. Of course, yes, they don't have any copyright problem. You can actually post them on all your social media platforms and earn money. Like, you have channels with millions of views, especially when you post it on your shorts channel with millions of views. I go on Instagram, I see channels with millions of views just with content like this. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because why not? AI is the next world, okay? So yeah, 2025 till it is AI. So it's either you're learning AI or you're not doing anything. Let's go, let me show you how to do these videos.
Okay, people, first thing first, the first place we go is ChatGPT. Now you open your ChatGPT like this. So when you come to ChatGPT, you see that I already have my prompt. Okay, now let's go through this prompt, because a lot of people have problems with prompting and all that. So let's go through this prompt. A giant cheeseburger with tiny construction workers building the layers. Some are grilling the patty, others are spreading sauce, and a few are carrying slices of lettuce and cheese, and the scene detailed with this. Now the second one, a massive sushi roll with mini mature sushi chef carrying assembling carefully assembling it. Some are rolling the sushi and some are blah, blah, blah. Okay, now I'll tell you guys to, how they call it, I'll tell you guys to screenshot this, because if I want to read it, you still don't get to understand, or I'll not get to read it properly because I'll be rushing to read it because I don't want the video to be long. So just put a screenshot on this, screenshot it, then you can later copy it and use it for your prompting. Now first thing, what I'll do is I'll copy the first prompt here. So this is the first prompt. Already, you can see I already highlighted it. So yeah, I'll copy the first prompt. Sorry, I'll just highlight it again. You just click on it 2 times and highlight, and then you copy. So once you copy this, you go to the next app. The next app we are going to is Piclumen. Okay, this purple app right here, this one, the Piclumen. So you click on Piclumen. When you click on Piclumen, this is how the interface looks like. Now you have this small pen down here. You click on this pen down here. This app is totally free. You can see some that I've already generated. This app is totally free, and you can see my works all here on this place. Now where you see this down place, what it says, what do you want to draw? I'll click there, and I click again, then I paste my prompt, then I click here on this arrow and I wait for it to generate. Okay, so this is actually is our first image that we are generating. So let's wait for the image to generate. Okay, now successfully generated, we have this. So you look at these ones, you open these images and you look which one is best. So I think for me this one is the best. So I'll click on the 3 lines, the 3 buttons, the 3 dots on the bottom here. When you click on it, it says download, then you click on download and it saves to your phone. Now we'll X this, right, and then we go back to ChatGPT, and then we copy the second prompt. So this is going to be the second prompt. So this is what you do to all your videos. You copy the second prompt, then you go back to Piclumen again, then you type in where they say what do you want to draw, and you click again on top, then you paste, then you click again on generate, and you wait for some time. So we are generating all these pictures because we want to know if all these pictures come out nicely before we go turning them into videos. Please, if you've watched till now, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. So here we'll check out this video. This thing is very funny. I don't know, I just like this niche because it's going viral. The videos are going viral on social media these days. So yeah, I think we'll take this second one. When we are done taking it, you just go back and copy. So I'll come back and download them, but for now, to make the video shorter, this is what we do. Okay, I go back to Piclumen and I put in the third prompt. You already know the process. You all already know the process, so we will not make it long. So yeah, let's wait for the next process and see what we get. Okay, this niche is trending. When I tell you trending, don't try it. On Instagram, on TikTok, it's trending so badly. Now you see this one. Oh, I like. This one is a whole lot of work. Yes, I think I prefer this one. Now we click and download, and then we go back to our last prompt, I guess, the last one. Now we click on the last prompt here, okay? So you click on the last prompt, you copy, and you come back to Pick Lumen. You put again, you paste, and you generate. So let's wait for this one to generate as well. Please, if you've watched till now, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because why not? I am here for AI 247. So we have this one is pizza, and we have these people working on top of pizza. Let's see this second one. I think I'm gonna go for this first one. Okay, I'll be going for the first one. So now what I'll do is I'll click here, save this video to the profile, and I'll go to my phone. Okay, so I have the picture in my phone already. Now the next app we are going to Hailuo AI Minimax. You all know already, right? I'll click on it here. This is my browser. Okay, so when I get to my browser, I'll go to Hailuo AI, because this is Hailuo AI, and let me show you how it looks like the interface. I always generate here. So this is how the Hailuo AI will look like. It's actually Minimax. The name of the app is Minimax Hailuo AI. Please, okay, together you join the app together. You can see down here, this is it down here, the name of the app. Now you get here, you click, and you put in your image. You bring your image. I'll bring this image. Then I'll go to, while the image is downloading, I'll go to ChatGPT and take the pancakes. Where is the pancakes? Okay, you have the pancakes here. I'll copy that. I go back to my browser. So I have the Hailuo AI here. So here where they say unleash your creativity, I'll click on there and I'll paste this prompt. Okay, so I'll wait for the picture to load. Let's give it time for the picture to load. It's gonna take small time. I don't know, sometimes you just post and boom, it's up, and then boom, the next minute it's taking time. So Hailuo AI is one app that's actually, you all might say, oh, why is she always coming to show us things on Hailuo AI? Because this is one of the AI tools that are actually free. You can generate 3 videos every day for free, unlike other AI tools that you will not be able to generate videos for free. Okay, so reason why I bring you guys here. I have different many AI tools, but I don't want to take you guys there, because of course you're gonna pay. So the picture did not upload. I don't know why. I'll still just, oh, okay, 1 minute. What just happened? Okay, the picture is in. Now the picture is up. What I need to do is I'll click on this 30 down here where you see 30 in pink. You click on it. When you click, you wait. Okay, now we have one job inquiry. You click on one job inquiry and you wait for it to generate. So normally this might take you a few minutes, or it can just take you hours. Yeah, so lucky for us, they said we have 25 minutes to wait, which means it will not even be up to 25 minutes. It won't be up to 25 minutes. If they really giving us 25 minutes, it's not going to be 25 minutes. So anyways, I'm just trying to refresh it. So guys, please, if you've gotten here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. And I want to tell you that this niche is one hell of a niche. It is trending. It's like those cat videos that are actually trending right now on social media, and everybody's using them. A lot of people are using them to grow their pages. You can go on Instagram, you see it there. On TikTok, it is there. Like, it's super nice because everybody's using. So we'll wait for this video to generate. When it's done generating, I'll come and show you all how the generation is, okay, how it looks like and how interesting the video can actually be. You just need to add in music in the background and you're good to go. So yeah, apparently, or basically, this is it for this content. Okay, people, so this is how the video looks like. So this is a video. It's done. It took 25 minutes, and you see, so yeah, you just need to click here on this download button. When you click on the download button here, it says download. You save it to your phone, and you can now use it later. So this app is actually good in videos. Like, see that? Those are videos I created yesterday. The app is actually good in creating videos, trust me. So yeah, that's it, my people. There you go.